Around 2009, Chrysler Corporation introduced this device. It's called a Fobik. This is used to work the ignition on Jeeps, Chryslers, Dodge, Ram vehicles. And I get questions all the time how to change the battery, so I'm going to show you that today. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the blade out. A lot of people don't know this, but there is an actual key blade. It's right here. In order to remove that, we move this part here to the left, and the blade comes out. This is also referred to as a valet key. We're just going to set that aside. We're going to turn this item over and use a small flathead screw. You can also use a pocket knife. And we're going to pry right here on this side. That side is where our blade, our valet key is housed. On the opposite side, we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to open this thing up ever so slightly so that we can replace the battery. Let's set that aside now. We're open. The shell is pretty tough. All we have to do now is separate the two sides. Now on the left hand side is going to be our board, and on the right hand side is going to be our battery. I'm going to set the board aside for the moment. This is the battery. It goes in with its part number facing down. The part number of this battery is CR2032. Energizer makes this battery, Duracell makes it, Sony makes it. It's available, I know, at Walgreens, drugstores, Walmart, any other major drug stores across the country. It's available there. When you get your new battery, you just insert it back in. It just clips right in. I always go from this side here with this small metal piece. And just clip it in like that. Now I'm going to put this back together. I'm going to take out my board. It's got a little skirt all the way around it. And if you're not careful, that skirt can get pinched in here. The skirt will reside in this slot outside of this outline here. So we want our board is in our skirt here, and we want to make sure that when we put this back together, all of that goes outside. On this one here, it wants to catch, so I'll just use my screwdriver just to pull that over. And it seems to be resting where it should rest. And then I'll put the top back on, and it just snaps on. I start at the front and I just snap it on to the back like so. Now it's all one piece again. It'll stay together. You don't need to glue it or anything. And then I reinsert my valet key right here. You don't have to move this. It'll just slide down. Pardon me. You have to move that. It'll just slide down, and then this will slightly move when you slide it in there. My name is Roger Quartz. I'm with Rekey Express Locksmith. Thank you for watching our video today.